Yeah, well, Felicia, when that Ball State University filed this lawsuit, there was nothing on the books in Indiana that said he could not file that lawsuit until lawmakers passed a COVID-era law stating colleges and universities are protected against class action lawsuits.
The appellant's counsel will argue first.
The Indiana Supreme Court hearing arguments Tuesday over whether to move forward with a lawsuit involving Ball State University. Attorneys representing student Keller Melowitz says when COVID-19 forced the school to shut down, many services stopped, but students still paid the bill. Melowitz wants some of his money back. But 1 year after he filed his complaint, a new Indiana law passed in 2021 banning class action lawsuits over the pandemic response.
It's a very serious thing to strike down a piece of legislation, and it should rarely be done.
Melowitz attorneys say that law impacts tens of thousands of students.
When the local gym shuts down the gym and you have a monthly contract, you get your money back. But here the legislature stepped in.
Thomas Fisher represents Ball State.
Legislature made a series of reforms designed to balance interests coming out of COVID so that valid claims could be pushed forward, but colleges and universities wouldn't face the difficult pressures that class actions often bring.
Pressures, Melowitz attorneys say, have no bearing on the case.
The net effect of what the legislature did here is to take the burden of the COVID-19 shutdown and place it entirely on the students and their families.
A case now in the hands of the state Supreme Court.
Also arguing, we have the Solicitor General for the Attorney General.
So, Karen, this lawsuit was filed in 2021. What happens now?
So, well, now the courts would have to certify it as a class action in order for it to move forward. And now the justices, they will go back, they will review everything, and then come out with their opinion at a later date.